So activity 5.6 is going to be a little bit of a hybrid. Some of the calculations we will do by hand, and then I will show you how we can use Inventor to determine a lot of the physical properties of the objects that we're building. There's two parts. The first one is an aluminum object, and we're going to use a 1/4-inch grid to determine kind of the size of this object, and then with that information I'll have you calculate the volume of that part, look at finding the density of that part, and this can be something you can research online. And calculating all these types of things by hand. When we get to the second part of the activity, or for this question, we're looking for the physical properties presented in the CAD software, CAD being our inventor, and we're going to look for what the density, mass, surface area, and volume are. So what I'll have you do then is build the parts in Inventor. Right? So I built the two parts that are part of this activity in Inventor. Then I want to assign a material to those parts. So this one, instead of being generic, is going to be aluminum. I'm going to do aluminum 6061. And the second one is going to be made of brass. So I'll do brass soft yellow. Once I've done that, if I go to the application icons, I can go to iProperties. I can go to the physical tab, and it gives me the density for this part. It will give me mass, my area, which is surface area, and then volume for that part, along with other information about center of gravity and other things here. What I'd like you to do is, once you build it, we can check your numbers in here against the numbers that you did when you calculated by hand. And when you submit the Word document for this activity, I would also like a print screen that includes this iProperties so that we can see the numbers and the part that you built. Okay, so I'll do a print screen. I can go back to my Word document, and when you go beyond the conclusion questions, we can add that information on here for each of the two parts.